friends, here in this video I will share with you the English words meanings. By the way, I am Ranjita. Welcome back to Way to English. So, let's take few English words meanings. Accurate, correct. Achieve, the meaning is accomplish. Active, energetic. Adamant, firm. Add, increase. Adequate, sufficient. Aggressive, assertive. Aid, help. Always, forever. Amateur, beginner. Ambitious, aspiring. Approve, accept. Arrive, reach. Authentic, genuine. Awful, dreadful, atrocious. Bashful, shy, timid. Beautiful, pretty, attractive. Before, prior, earlier. Beginning, start, initiative. Believe, trust, accept. Below, under, low. Beneficial, helpful, useful. Best, finest, choice. Birth, beginning. Blend, combine, mix. Bottom, base or foundation. Brave, courageous or bold. Break, fracture or burst. Brief, short, concise. Buy, purchase. Calm, quiet or tranquil. Chilly, cool or nippy. Chubby, plump or pudgy. Clarify, explain, simplify. Close, near, imminent. Coarse, bumpy, rough. Comical, amusing or funny. Complex, complicated. Confine, contain, enclose. Conflict, fight, battle or struggle. Conform, comply, submit. Connect, join, link or attach. Correct, accurate or right. Courage, bravery or valor. Courteous, polite or civil. Cranky, cross, irritable. Crazy, insane, daft or mad. Cruel, mean, heartless. Daring, bold, audacious. Deduct, subtract or remove. Defend, protect or shield. Defy, resist, challenge. Delicate, fragile or dainty. Despise, hate, detest, loathe. Destitute, poor, penniless. Deter, hinder or prevent. Determined, sure, convinced. Dirty, soiled or messy. Disagree, differ or dispute. Dispute, debate or oppose. Diverse, different, distinct. Divide, separate or split. Docile, tame or gentle. Dubious, doubtful, questionable. Dull, blunt or dreary. Dumb, stupid, dense. Easy, simple. Encourage, promote, support or urge. Enjoy, like, appreciate. Enlarge, expand, magnify. Enormous, vast or immense or colossal. Fast, rapid, quick or swift. Fat, chubby, plump, stout. Fatal, deadly, mortal, killing. Fatigue, tire, exhaust. Fiction, fantasy, untruth, myth. Fill, load, pack. Fraction, part, portion or segment. Frigid, freezing, frosty. Frivolous, trivial, unimportant, silly. Furious, angry, enraged, infuriated. Future, coming or tomorrow. Gain, acquire, obtain. Gaudy, showy, garish, vulgar. Gaunt, scrawny, skinny or thin. Generous, giving, selfless, big-hearted, great, outstanding and remarkable, handy, useful, convenient, skillful, high, elevated, lofty, huge, vast, immense, great, humble, modest, unpretentious, humiliate, embarrass, disgrace, dishonor, identical, alike, duplicate, immaculate, spotless, pure, inferior, lesser, substandard, infuriate, enrage, agitate, provoke, ingenious, clever, creative, original, innocent, guiltless, blameless, interesting, proactive, engrossing, intolerant, bigoted, prejudiced, irrelevant, inappropriate, unrelated, join, connect, unite, or link, jolly, merry, jovial, joyful, jubilant, overjoyed, delighted, elated, keep, safe, protect, or guard, least, fewest, minimum, or smallest, logical, sensible, sane, rational, long, lengthy, luxurious, extravagant, elegant, magnify, expand, enlarge, exaggerate, meager, scanty, sparse, poor, mean, unkind, malicious, nasty, militant, combative, aggressive, warlike, minor, lesser, inferior, secondary, mirth, merriment, fun, laughter, mischievous, naughty, impish, moderate, temperature, lenient, medium, mysterious, elusive, occult, secret. Naughty means bad, disobedient, wrong. Nonchalant means indifferent, blaze. Normal, ordinary, typical, or useful. Obey, mind, heed, comply. Observe, examine, study. Obsolete, extinct, dated, antiquated. Optional, voluntary, elective. Ordinary, useful, average. Outrageous, preposterous or shocking. Polite, gracious, refined, courteous. Poor, destitute, needy. Portion, part, segment or a piece. Prompt, punctual, timely. Proud, arrogant, elated. Push, show, propel. Quit, cease, stop or withdraw. Racket, noise, commotion, disturbance. Ratify, approve, confirm, endorse. Ravage, devastate, ruin or damage. Raze, destroy, demolish. Reluctant, unwilling, hesitant. Remote, isolated or distinct. Repulsive, highness, offensive, gruesome. Reputable, honorable, upstanding, honest. Resist, oppose, withstand, defy. Retaliate, avenge, revenge, reciprocate. Reveal, show, disclose, divulge. Same, identical, alike, equivalent. Serious, grave, solemn, pensive. Shrewd, clever, cunning, craft. Sluggish means listless, lethargic, inactive. Small, little, insignificant, trivial. Smooth, slick, glossy, level. Sociable, friendly, cordial. Sorrow, woe, anguish, grief. Special, exceptional, notable, particular. Stable, steady, unchanging, settled. Strenuous, vigorous, laborious. Strict, stringent, severe, stun. Strong, powerful, mighty, potent. Stupid, unintelligent, dense, foolish. Surplus, excess, additional, extra. Tall means high, lofty. Tangible, concrete, defined. Definite, taut. Tense, tight, stiff. Tender, delicate, gentle, affectionable. Terrible, dreadful, horrible, vile. Thrifty, economical, frugal, prudent. Thrive, prosper, flourish, develop. Urgent, crucial, important. Vacant, unoccupied, empty. Vague, unclear, obscure, indistinct. Valiant, courageous, brave, heroic. Victory, triumph, win, and success. Victorious, moral, righteous, angelic. Weary, tired, fatigue, lethargic. Worn, used, impaired, old, wrong, the incorrect, untrue, mistaken. Yield, produce, bear, provide. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you.